Coming up on this episode.
So I know this is 90 because this is the panel, right? What I want to do is find out how high this has to be to give me 26 degrees.
Oh, we're just gonna be just cavorting all over the cabin, plugging stuff in, and that came so fast. There we were outside having fun, only to be, and he's still out there. Oh, no.
Like that's 1,000 watts, 1,100 watts right there.
That's exciting. You've done a nice job with those being all, those are pretty skookum.
They're not bad.
Gosh, it's kind of neat to see, hey, on our shore. Sir Ryan is getting ready. What you getting ready for, honey?
Oh, we're gonna make some temporary ground mounts for our solar so we can have temporary power.
This is the big day.
This is to test our solar panels, yeah.
This is the big day. The big test day.
To get off generator, that'd be nice.
Oh.
So I just rebooted this thing, moved it here because we had no, I have to check something on.
I feel like one of us might be more excited than the other.
This is a huge day for us because we don't have to ever be on generator anymore.
What is going on there? Whoa, that guy's got a mind of his own, eh?
Yeah, it's looking for stars.
Elon, Elon.
It's going, where are they? It's gonna tilt now, right about, uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it's not finding any.
It's gonna tilt right
Now.
there.
Now.
There.
Oh.
Okay, I saw that going
It
differently.
typically goes a different way, eh? Right now.
Yeah,
No.
it's doing its thing.
Well, it's looking. It.
Oh,
Oh.
no, not that way.
Okay, that doesn't look right. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, I found a fix.
There. No.
Yeah, it's supposed to be stopping right about...
1, 2, 3.
Now.
Stop.
Spell stop backwards, honey. As fast as you can.
LLEPS.
Spell stop backwards.
Stop backwards.
Spell the word stop backwards as fast as you can. Again,
PODS. PODS. PODS.
what do you do to green light?
Stop.
What do you do to green light?
Go. Spell go backwards. Oh dear. Well, that was a fail.
What's it doing?
I know it's not acting right. I'm nervous, honey. We can't lose our Starlink.
We'll be all right. Just, it's,
Hello, miss.
it's looking somewhere different now. Normally it looks up that way.
Yeah. Is it because you
I must have done something.
put it on the wrong way to begin with?
No,
Oh.
no, it'll find it.
Okay, I have to say, I've never seen this before from this vantage point, sitting at the shore. But there they are. There's the panels we've been waiting for.
26 degrees. Really?
This guy's trying to figure out.
26.2 degrees.
He's calculating.
To get the most energy out of your solar panels, you will first need to determine the optimal angle for your solar panels. So how do we do that? Well, the simplest way is to ask the experts. Open up your web browser, type in optimal solar panel angle. Now then, look for the result by Sinovoltaics. The link will take you to the exact page you're looking for. This one-page article is a concise explanation of the principles of solar panel tilting by season and why it is important to do it that way. There are two calculation methods discussed here. Method 1 is the easy way, and Method 2 is the better way. I, for one, have always been a proponent of the better way, so I naturally focused on Method 2. So in the body of the paragraph, we find the gold we are looking for. That's all there is to it. So after plugging in our latitude into this simple formula, we arrive at a value of 26.2 degrees. Easy peasy.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to construct a temporary frame around here. So basically, my panel is 48 by 90. So we're going to lay this panel on the ground at an angle. This angle is 26 degrees. That's our optimum angle for this time of year, right? I know this, as you know, is a triangle, right? It's a right triangle. So I know this is 90 because this is the panel, right? What I want to do is find out how high this has to be to give me 26 degrees. And the formula is sine of 26, which is this angle, times this here, which is the hypotenuse, so that's 90, and that equals 0.7626. So sine of 26 is 0.7626 times 90 equals 68 inches. Okay? Right? So sine of 26 equals 0.7626 times 90 equals 68 inches. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this here. 68 inches. There. Okay. So what we're going to end up doing is making a triangle.
And this is just a temporary holder
exactly.
for our solar panels.
That's right.
Just to make ends meet, just to help us out until the real ones come.
Yeah, I'm looking at this thing and I don't see that being 26 degrees, do you?
No, I don't.
Huh. Okay, let's take a break and let's see if I can redo my math. Because that doesn't make sense to me, does it?
No, well, not to me. It doesn't look 26.
That's more like 26.
Yes, that's what I would think.
Okay. So I'm going to go back to my ciphering chair and sit down for a second.
So we're back to the drawing board.
It's my ciphering chair.
Got to get his calculator going again.
Yep.
There's some dark, dark sky above us.
Is there?
Not there. Again, it's like a divided land here. Da, 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 da. Oh. Roaring, raging, angry sky. Happy little sunny day. Okay. Is that the right angle, honey, you think?
That's what it says.
Wow.
You want to just hold this up for me?
Sure.
Thanks.
I'd love to help any way I can.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I always help.
Yeah, you're a good helper. Now, nope, let's come back about like that. We'll adjust this after. Okay, there's one, and then what we'll do is I'll put a cross brace on it.
Do you think that'll be tough enough to hold that big panel?
When we're done, it will be.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
because we have to brace it across. I have to make another one of these. So that's 90 and 68, was it?
So we're 68, yeah. So are we just trying out one today then?
No,
No?
I'm gonna try to do 4.
My word.
Each one of these is 2.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah.
So 4 is gonna be so much more than we've had, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're just gonna be just cavorting all over the cabin, plugging stuff in and oh, won't that be amazing? Flipping switches on,
Yeah.
leaving Starlink on.
Just because we can,
Yeah.
even if we don't need it.
You'll be in the washroom heading in there over and over.
This won't power the washroom.
This won't power the washroom?
No.
Oh, it won't?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
So the incinerator toilet takes a lot more power than that. Then 4 panels?
Oh,
4
yeah.
panels won't do the toilet?
No.
No.
No, I'm not kidding.
Well, how is this going to work?
Our solar panels are rated at 550 watts, but the reality is that on a sunny day they generate just 400 watts each. The toilet draws 2,000 watts per flush minimum. That means you could power the toilet with 5 or 6 panels all right, but it would have to be a clear day and between 11 and 2 p.m. Other than that, you would need more panels. On cloudy days, solar production drops as low as 150 watts per panel, meaning a minimum of 14 panels would be needed just to flush the toilet. So without battery storage, we would be running the generator most of the time.
We'll always have the generator on for that?
Well, no, because we'll have a whole array at some point. That'll power it, right?
I don't know. How many do we need in order to power the washroom?
30.
We need 30 going to power the washroom?
Well, you need lots of battery. So 30 will be enough, I figure.
We might have made a little mistake.
We didn't make a mistake.
Are you sure?
We talked about this when you wanted an electric incinerator toilet.
Well, I thought though that we were going to have a designated remote start generator for it, I think.
If we buy one in the States,
Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, it's working, isn't it?
it's working. Yeah,
It's
next
working.
time we're in the States, we'll come back with one.
Yeah. And that'll be just for the toilet then, I guess, eh?
No, by then, that'll be our backup system.
I see.
You see that left hand action there? Pretty good, eh?
Yes. It's hard with the left hand. So each one of those is going to hold 2 solar panels. Seems like it would be more, but I guess those are pretty wide, aren't they?
Solar panels are big, yeah.
Yeah. So they're 550 watts each. Would you like me to come help, honey?
I'm thinking
Okay.
that might be good. Lift it up. Higher, higher, higher. There you go.
Melody is such a great helper. She figures stuff out quickly and always anticipates where I might need a hand.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh boy.
And then what we'll do is we'll cross brace it, and then it won't move.
The winds are just so strong.
It'll be all right. I'll cross brace it, honey.
Okay. Because those actual panels will just be like a sail on a boat in the wind.
Yeah, they will.
Yikes.
This is field engineering.
Is it?
Yeah. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pull a panel out, lay it on there, and see what we have to do.
Okay, this is the big moment.
Yeah. Where's my drink?
Oh boy, did I really just do that?
We're going to have to go to the lumber store at Berry Point.
Yeah. I'll hold this close. These aren't treated, eh?
No, this is temporary. Oh, the sky's gonna open up, honey. Okay, it's gonna stop as soon as I cut this.
We like puzzles, and it's fun working together. Besides, we're not building a piano here, so say it with me, it's only temporary.
It's pretty solid.
Yeah, triangles are the most solid geometrical shape there is for construction. That's why all your bridges are made out of triangles. All right.
Whoa.
Let's get a panel and lay it up in here and figure out how we're going to attach it.
Okay. Here we go. This is the first time we've seen them since these were moved.
Nice and clean.
Wow, so far so good. Wow, there's a big scratch on it though. I wonder if that's going to be a problem.
I hope not.
Wow. Don't you think it should be laying down a bit more?
What do you mean?
Like, shouldn't it be laying down more to get the whole sun in the sky? Like right now, it's just...
It's 26 degrees. That angle is 26 degrees is what it says. This angle is 45. It looks like 45 to me.
That's 45.
Doesn't look like 26.
Oh! Oh! Can you bring my drink, honey?
Yeah.
Oh, my word! Oh, oh no! Oh, is it wet? Woo! We definitely... Oh, the cold, nice. Rain. That came so fast. There we were outside having fun, only to be, and he's still out there. Oh, no.
Okay, it's time to jump in the Wayback Machine and do some high school trigonometry. Now we know the optimal tilt angle of the solar panels we're looking for is 26 degrees, and that's for our latitude in the summer. We also know the panel is 90 inches long, and that'll be our hypotenuse. What we don't know is how high side B needs to be in order to actually give us the tilt we're looking for. Again, that's 26 degrees. We can now use the values we know to find the value we don't know. Going to Google for the sine of 26 degrees, we plug that into the equation and multiply it by 90 inches, which is the length of the panel. This gives us the correct height we are looking for, which is roughly 39.5 inches.
Well, we went inside because there was a harsh rainstorm that really beat things down. I stayed in because I was so wet, and Ryan came back out, and I've been hearing tap, 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 drill, 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 a whole bunch of stuff. And look at what we have here. Hey, that looks like 26 degrees to me.
A bit better, about 30, but good.
Hey, honey, that's good.
That'll work, eh?
So are they supposed to be right close together?
Yeah. Doesn't matter though.
So why are they supposed to be right close together?
Just to save space on the racking. This allows wind to go through them.
Oh, I see. Do we want wind to go through them now?
Better than one big sail.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes you see banners with holes cut out of them. That's so the banners don't rip.
Yeah.
Right? So I thought we could do, like that's 1,000 watts, 1,100 watts right there.
That's exciting. You've done a nice job with those being all, those are like pretty skookum.
They're not bad.
Gosh, it's kind of neat to see, hey, on our shore.
That's 100 volts. If I do another one, it's 200 volts and 300 volts. So each one of these is 100 volts, right?
Oh.
So I'm thinking we go get some wood, then I can build another one. I don't know how many volts is minimum to start up the inverter. I have to read that up.
I mean, maybe this is all you're going to need. No. You want them up?
I don't want to have to take them all down again. Because we can't leave them like this over the winter. They have to be tilted up for the winter. Otherwise they'll just get full of snow. If they tilt up for the winter, snow can't accumulate on them.
Right.
Plus 76 degrees is the optimum tilt angle for the winter. That's just about vertical.
For actually getting sun, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I think we'll get lots because it'll ricochet off all that ice.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, they say it's optimum.
Yeah.
Well, I heard you drilling away.
Yeah. So, I'm thinking probably got time to do one more.
So are you going to be able to plug this in or no? Not until tomorrow.
I'll have to charge the other batteries. Have to get the batteries all set up in a rack and mount the inverter.
Where do the batteries go? Oh, behind the place there. We're supposed to put them in an enclosed space.
Yeah.
Wow. We don't have that. So this is just kind of
step one.
Yeah, this is the beginning.
Multi-step program.
I know. I just want to get going.
Yeah, me too.
But considering I'm not doing any of it, I guess it's
a hassle to do this for temporary, but the reality is I don't know how long it'll be till we get our pole mounts and we have to get it all ready. So at least we'll have electricity. And I can tie the water in to this.
Can you?
Should be able to, yeah.
Wow. Oh boy. Okay, well, good.
So the height of our rack was wrong because I messed up my math. In my haste, I didn't notice that I was asking Google for the sign of 26 radians instead of 26 degrees. Oops. But once I asked the right question, I got the right answer and the math worked out. Go figure.
Okay, there is something swimming. Oh, it's a frog. It's a frog. Oh, he's doing the backstroke now. Hello. Hello. That's cute. I saw him. Goodbye. Aw, he was doing his best. Wow, what a night.
There really are no words. The calm, quiet beauty of the lake is simply breathtaking. Day by day, little by little, We are building our home here.
So this just happened. Two rainbow trouts. Jack and Jill. The problem is that I can't actually see. It's very hard to see through the net. That's hard for you, honey. The mosquitoes and bugs, eh? Sorry.
This little fish skinner is the coolest thing ever.
Honey, look!
Nice. Okay, flip them over. Oh man, I can't wait. This is gonna be so good. I get a kick out of that every time I see it.
I know.
It's unreal.
I didn't take all of his skin off too, or his body, his flesh, I mean.
Okay, all right, wax them up.
Gotta clean him really well with some of our water that we picked up.
Okay, let me. All right, fair enough.
He's not washed. This guy's not washed. Come on, we did!
Can I put your fish in there? Good. I'm not going to eat that skin.
Oh, you're not going to?
No.
They say it's the best part
Well,
because it's the healthiest for you.
they can have it.
Oh, honey, we should have taken yours off then. Oh my word, does this look good?
It does.
Lemony rice, lovely onions, and a nice little lemon sauce. What do you think of that?
Good, honey.
Do you want a whole thing of rice?
Oh no, that's good.
See the things from the fish are actually, oh my word. Honey, look it.
Looking good.
Whoa, you want it done even better?
Yep.
Uh-oh, it's gonna start coming apart.
That's all right.
Hey, we can maybe pull.
I'll do it on the plate. Don't worry, honey.
I know, but you can get it crispier then this way without having that on there. Okay? Is that a good idea?
Okay. Yeah. Good idea. A little bit more right there. It just doesn't get any fresher than this. 30 minutes from line to dine. Oh, whatever that spice is.
This is the way. This is the way to live right here.
Bring out what?
You want more lemon in this or on your plate? You can have a whole lemon.
Yeah, put it in here, and then whatever's left I'll have on that.
Lots. Really juicy lemon. It just comes out like you wouldn't believe.
Melody couldn't have said it any better. This is the way to live. We may have had a couple of false starts with our temporary solar panel racking, but we figured it out. We always do. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please support us by clicking the thumbs up icon on YouTube. We invite you to also subscribe and click the bell. You'll be notified when we upload new content. Please invite your friends and family to come along too. Bye for now.